How to change currency to pounds on Airbnb phone app. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Airbnb. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on Airbnb and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now scroll down. Now under settings, you will find an option for payments and payouts. Simply tap on it. Now at the top right corner, you will find a currency icon. Simply tap on it. Now keep scrolling down until you find pounds. Now tap on pounds. Now go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.